A routine Texas building permit may have quietly confirmed that Tesla's robot vacuum and autonomous cleaning bot for the Robotaxi and Cybercab is coming. A state filing with the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation, as first discovered by Tesla enthusiast Spencer and posted to X. That project number, TABS 20250220006, lists the scope of work at Tesla's Austin Robotaxi hub at 5900 E. Ben White Boulevard to include a cleaning robot alongside supercharger cabinets and an equipment inspection system. Tesla first showed the cleaning robot publicly on January 31, 2025, posting a short video on X with the caption, "This robot sucks," showing a large robotic arm inside a Cybercab cabin switching between attachments to vacuum debris, pick up trash, and wipe down surfaces. The operational case for this hardware comes down to mathematics. A robotaxi running rides across Austin needs to cycle passengers continuously to generate revenue. Every minute a vehicle sits waiting for a human cleaning crew is a minute it is not earning. A robotic arm that can fully clean a Cybercab cabin between rides in under 2 minutes removes one of the key bottlenecks in fleet utilization that no autonomous vehicle company has yet solved at scale. The 5900 E. Ben White Boulevard address sits roughly 12 miles southwest of Gigafactory, Texas, where Tesla has been mass-producing its Cybercab. The Ben White facility is expected to function as Tesla's Austin Robotaxi hub, the physical base of operations where fleet vehicles return between rides to charge, get cleaned, and undergo inspection before being dispatched again, and all autonomously. One can imagine a Cybercab dropping off a passenger, routes itself back to Ben White, pulls into the cleaning station, charges on one of the supercharger cabinets listed in the same permit, passes the equipment inspection system, and returns to service, all without a human making a single decision. The sighting activity around both locations has accelerated in parallel with production. By mid-March 2026, Cybercabs were spotted regularly on public roads across Austin and Silicon Valley. Tesla's robotaxi operations in Texas has expanded to cover the entire Austin metro area and has spread to Dallas, while autonomous Cybercab employee shuttle runs at Gigafactory, Texas are also set to begin soon. What it represents is the physical infrastructure behind a fleet that Tesla intends to run without anyone cleaning, driving, or dispatching it by hand. Source: reposted and summarized from Gene at teslarati.